In this experiment we are going to try to measure the density of liquids. So we will use water as our fluid, and in order to do that we use any syringe that has a tip like that, and let's fill it a little bit with water. I think that should be enough. And then you try to take all the air out. And then start putting it here, and then start injecting water until you start seeing water coming out of the other end. Once that happens, while holding this, you click start, then it starts measuring the density of water. So it will tell you here that it's measuring. So after it finishes, it may ask you to add more, it may not. So we'll see. If it asks you to add more, you'll just inject more with the syringe without removing it, so that no air goes in. If not, it will give you the measurement or the density as you see here, and then you will have to clean up the system. In order to clean up water or any aqueous fluid, inject pure water first or distilled water first, followed by ethanol. So you need to bring the ethanol also with you, and then as you see, there is a fan here. You just press the fan in the end after putting its hose in place of the syringe in order to dry up the system. And this is taking a long time. Okay, so it finished the measurement, so now you can remove your syringe. So I just remove it. It says it was valid. And then you clean up with DI water. Like, try injecting a bunch of cc's as much as you can. Just to make sure it's completely clean. If you are measuring the viscosity, the density of an oleic fluid, then you clean with toluene and ethanol. You start with toluene instead of water. So now I'm going to use ethanol. So a bunch of cc's till it's completely clean. And then you add this hose in and start the fan from here, so that it dries everything out. And this is like live view to what's inside. If there is any bubble or something or any droplet during the fan time, you will be able to see it. And this is your measurement value, and that's it.